The grand opening ceremony held in Abuja was attended by top business executives, crypto enthusiasts, and financial experts. Speaking at the event, ST International leader Adeforu Abiodun, among other crypto traders, emphasized the company's mission to revolutionize crypto trading in Nigeria through AI-driven analytics.
I'm introducing this platform to you again. It is called ST Cibers Platform, where we trade every day, we make money, and we live a good life. And we also encourage our people. We also bring people on board so that you don't need to make money on your own. You don't need to live a good life on your own. Tell people about it. Let people know. Let them come on board. Let them enjoy life.
With the help of ST, you will not lose money. With the help of ST, you will make money. All you need to do is just to follow the order. They give the advice, go to this direction, you go to that direction. They are a group of analysts based in the United Kingdom.
Crypto experts and traders at the event highlighted the importance of analyzing market trends, predicting price movement, and offering strategic trading insights without losses.
When ST came in, I discovered that they have streamlined trading such that they use AI to analyze the market, since they know the AI detects market trends. So they use the previous market price action to determine what the market will look like in the future.
ST Cibers is a platform where when you invest, you get your 100% money back, and it's very real. And in this kind of world that we belong to, whether you like it or not, you must be making money online via your phone.
Anyone that has joined ST, even if it is 6 months only, your life can never remain the same.
And it has been a blessing to me and my household. So I really thank God for this ST.
The launch of ST International Limited in Abuja comes at a time when cryptocurrency adoption is rising in Nigeria, driven by a young tech-savvy population and increasing interest in digital finance. Susan Ita, ITV News.